my video. Today we will be Today we will be making kimchi.
Sorry, start again.
We will be using for lunch. And then my little friend. Let me say like you. Today we'll be making kimchi spaghetti. My brother Brian and myself. So and this is me. Okay, so before we get started on our kimchi spaghetti, let me first introduce the ingredients. We will be using sausage, tomatoes, kimchi, and onion with creamy and cheesy spaghetti sauce and olive oil. So let's get started. We have the pot ready. So first we have already boiled water in it, and we also need 1 teaspoon of salt. And then we put the spaghetti in it. This is here. Now we're gonna let it boil for 12 minutes. 5 minutes? No, 12. 12 minutes. Brand, look. Cool, right? Ryan. It's not look so ready yet. So I'm just going to let the boil for a few more minutes. Alright guys, the spaghetti looks ready. So we are going to put the spaghetti in the drain the noodles. Don't splat on me, okay? I'm not gonna splat you. I really don't like it. Babe. Brian, you're way too crazy. Still got some more, I can see. It's alright. Alright. Now, I'm gonna drip a little bit of olive oil so the noodles will stick. We are finished with the spaghetti. Now we're gonna add the ingredients that I show you: onions, tomato, and the kimchi, sausage, and the cream and the olive oil. So first, tomato. Yeah, I said tomato. I'll put some olive oil. And we're gonna add in the onions. That's a bit too much. No. Okay. Now I'm just gonna wait for it to sizzle. And once we're done with this, we're gonna start adding the kimchi. After tomato, after rice. No, that's last. That's last. So we're just gonna mix that. Oh, I hear it sizzle. My brother is cooking onions. Not my favorite. Guys, do you like the sizzling of the onions? If you do, leave a like. Now I'll ask my assistant Brian to pour in the kimchi. Okay. Thank you. You forgot a little bit more. Brother, I cannot call you son. I'm not your dad. It got to mix it up. Looking good, right? Looking good. Now, I'm going to pour in lovely red tomato. All that thing. Some sauce. Alright. Now let's mix it up. The tomatoes cooked. Now we shall add in the creamy and cheesy spaghetti sauce. Hold on. Already got burned. I'm cooking it, guys. Nice. Okay. I shall pour everything. Wait. It's looking good. Alright. Alright. This looks yummy, right? So yummy, I feel like eating it. Alright, now it's time to add the sausage, Ryan. Yes, thank you. Oh, can't wait to try this. Looks good. Does it look good? Does it look cheesy? Yeah. Does it look awesome? Yeah. Alright, time for me to taste it. I think we need this thing. Thank you, my little helper. And sugar. I shall taste it later. I can take over. And I love my little, and I love my brother. There you call me though. Time to taste test it again. It's better. Tastes better now. Alright. Now, it's time to add the spaghetti. 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 No, not so much. Alright, after my mother helped me stir the spaghetti, I'll be putting a bit of the spaghetti onto the plate to taste test it. Hi everyone, this is the yummy spaghetti. Super yummy with kimchi. This is for my family members. So yep, I have to wrap up this video. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you on the next one.